Hey folks, welcome to another Triple T Thursday. For those just joining us, that's Tools, Tips, and Talk, where we talk about things centered on the knife maker. So today is mail call. So I know what this is, but I figured I would do an unboxing and show you guys because I'm really excited about it. So let's get right down to the table and show you. So my buddy Spencer up in Alaska sent me this, so let's take a look. Oh, there it is, folks. Rounding hammer. Spencer makes these himself. They're just beautiful. Super comfy handle. Oh, it's gorgeous. For those that don't know, a rounding hammer, as opposed to a hammer you buy at the store, has one round side, hence rounding hammer, and it's pretty round, and then another side that's flat but even has a rounded edge. And the important thing here is that it's a rounded edge so that when you're hitting things, even if you miss, you're not getting like a half moon divot because the edges are still rounded. So it lets you, it's a little more forgiving. And the rounded edge is important because as you strike, you want this nice and rounded for doing, for lengthening things, because it's going to push the steel out. So rounding hammers are super useful if you are a blacksmith or a bladesmith or do any kind of forging. So super happy about that. Thank you so much, Spencer. You know I'm going to put it to good use. You're going to see it in all my videos. I love the way he did the handle. And to darken two sections of the handle. That's really nice. I'm really excited to use this. Very cool. Also want to talk about a couple projects in the works. The Wakizashi is going really well. I just did the profile last night, so this is a Sanmai. So you're going to see some more of this pretty soon. I'm going to put the bevels in it and do a heat treat. Excited how this is going. You'll see more of that on Sunday. Thanks, folks. Going to keep today's video short. Just wanted to do that unboxing, show you that cool hammer, and just some progress on the Wakizashi coming up this weekend. So thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you on the next one. Remember, like and subscribe, and you'll see lots of cool builds coming up.